Hi, this is Neil again for Article Reading for Juniors, and today we're going to talk about this article about the U.S. South Pole Station, how it got there, what the scientists are studying there now, and what they're learning from their studies. We'll start with question number 2. Now, first of all, read the question stem and see what it says. To protect humans from dangerous sun rays, countries around the world need to blank. As I always say, you need to change this into a real question with a question mark at the end. So let's do that. It would be something like, what do countries around the world need to do to protect humans from dangerous sun rays? Okay, so what do we need to do? Now, you go to line 41. Oh, we're right there. Right here. And probably read this sentence before it, and then the sentence after it maybe too. So, scientists release balloons at the pole to monitor the Earth's ozone layer. What's the ozone layer? The ozone layer is a layer of gas that protects life on Earth from dangerous sun rays. Unfortunately, pollution has created a hole in the ozone layer, leaving humans and other animals unprotected from these harmful rays. Okay, so what has made us more vulnerable to these dangerous sun rays? It looks like it's the hole in the ozone layer. And what's causing the hole in the ozone layer? Pollution. So apparently, what we need to do is make the pollution go down, and that will make the hole in the ozone layer stop getting larger and possibly get smaller too. So let's see. Do we need to increase the size of the hole in the ozone layer? No, that's the opposite, because that hole is letting in bad stuff. So get rid of A. Pollute less. Pollution is what causes the hole, so if we pollute less, maybe that will stop the problem. It's probably B. Let's click that. We can always change it. What about C? Release more balloons at the South Pole. Yeah, doesn't say anything about that, so get rid of it. And then the last one, remove all ozone from the air. Well, the ozone is what's protecting us, so this would not help at all. Get rid of that too. All right, so we got that one right. It's B. Move on to number 4. So read the question. According to the paragraph on lines 12 through 23, the South Pole is all of the following except. Now, this one's a little bit different from what you usually see, and you have to think which of the answer choices does not describe the South Pole. Okay, so that's the question you're answering. Which of the answer choices does not describe the South Pole, according to that paragraph on lines 12 through 23? So let's go up there. So it's a very long paragraph. We're not going to read the whole thing. We'll just look at the answer choices and try to find something that either says it is there or says that it's not there, okay? So cold. Let's scan for the word cold. Do you see it anywhere? Oh, there it is, right there. So we know it is cold, so we know that A is not the right answer. What about dry? Oh, it's right next to cold, so we can get rid of dry too, because that does describe the South Pole. Now, what about expanding, getting bigger? I don't see anything about that. Yeah, let's for now put C. And what about D? Valuable to scientists. Do scientists use the South Pole? hmm Yeah, it looks like they do. They study the same stars for decades because the poles always see the same stars. It's the perfect environment for studying cosmic microwave radiation. So, yeah, the South Pole is very valuable to scientists. So we can get rid of D too and be pretty confident about that. C's the answer. Scroll down. We're going to do number 8 last. So if you read number 8, by reading the paragraph on lines 12 through 23, the one we just read, we can guess that in 100 years our universe will something. So what will our universe look like in 100 years? Okay? So does it say anything about the universe here? Oh, there's that word right there. By studying this pattern, astronomers have learned that the universe is still expanding. So something's expanding, but it's not the South Pole, it's the universe. So if the universe is expanding, in 100 years, the universe will be bigger, right? So you'll look for an answer that says bigger than it is today, right? Well, that looks like what A says. Let's look at the rest just to be 100% sure. So B says be smaller than it is now. No, that's the opposite. Be the same size as it is now. No, that's wrong because it's getting bigger. It's expanding. And we'll have no more CMR left. It doesn't say anything about changes in CMR. So that's a trick answer too. So get rid of D, choose A, and there you go. So if you have any more questions, please email us at readingcare.com. You can find the contact information on the website, or you can use one of our article forums and ask the question writer, him or herself, what the answer is. Hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.